Well, Sunday we made it to Xochimilco, which is the place with all of the boats that you see all over line, which are super colorful and fun, and everyone goes and drinks and goes down the river, and there's like vendors that come up and also give you food. And we ended up taking the cab ride a little too early this morning, so we're here 40 minutes early. So we are just gonna walk around and explore and see the little markets and shops that they have behind us until our ride, but excited for a little boat tour. So we were walking to find our canal, and we actually come across the pole of the Pampangla men, who, if you can see behind me, are all up top there. And they're gonna spin, I believe, from like their feet or their waist, and they spin and hang upside down around the pole. So excited to see. We've made it on the boat. We have a private boat party today. Nice little tecate to start. Getting ready to make our way out.
We have this little jar, so please take one, and it's a gift from us, so you can grab it to your home. So this is a cantarito. Let's take our shot glass in front of us, and we are going to gel together at the same time. So ready with me. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa adentro. So this means up, down, center, and inside. So this is basic for having a shot right here in Mexico. La cama voladora. Si no textea, no texteo. Si no llama, no llamo. El ruso blanco. It's okay. Right. You look so good.
Grapefruit juice.
And the last one, it's up to you. Right here, there's one animal that is endemical, right here, that is axolotl. So do you have heard about?
So freaking good.
Grasshoppers.
It's got some insects ants and something else.
Right.
Take it. You get the skinny one, you leave me with the fat one. Guys, a Are we biting it in half? No, eat it. Oh my god, 1, 2, 3. Very earthy. And then right in your mouth. Oh no, not. Oh my god. No, around the side of your face. Yeah, there you go. Just do it. Just shrug-a-lug. So, pro tip: we came for the 11 a.m. tour. So loud. This is what it looks like for the 2:30 tour. Absolutely crazy. Buses everywhere. Traffic. Ooh. Hola, para qué? I'll go to the other side. Yeah. So the traffic is crazy. The amount of buses around us is crazy. So if you come, definitely do 11 a.m. to avoid all of this, which is wild. And then so the canal gets way more busy. So you are way better off. 11 a.m. Way to go. Made it back from Xochimilco, the boat party, which was so much fun. And now our guide actually hooked us up with some tickets for the Lucha Libre tour, which is like the Mexican WWE wrestling event. So excited to see what that's like. But yeah, quite a good day. Loved Paloma with chamoy. So freaking good. The boat trip was absolutely amazing. I will tag the one below for the link that you guys can check it out and get your guide. It was incredible. Ellen, who was our host, was absolutely amazing and so much fun. We had a great time. So definitely check that out if you're in Mexico City. And yeah, gonna get excited for our Lucha Libre today. We're back to El Pescadito, which is the shrimp and fish taco place. So good. I'm taking Haley here. She's already getting ready. And I'm gonna have a shrimp lunch and a chili shrimp one with cheese. I'm gonna check it out. It is so good. I'm gonna load it up this time. I'm so excited.
Wanna be just like you.
Oh, I got those fish and shrimp tacos. Haley enjoyed them very much. And now I'm gonna take her to the Thai Mexican fusion taco place because that was so good that it had until we have another one. And then we're heading off to the Lucha Libre show. And I'm in a mask, and we're gonna become Mexican wrestlers. So I can't wait. But first, tacos. Okay, so we made it to the Lucha Libre show. We were outside waiting for our guide right now. As you can see behind me, they have all the stalls with the Lucha Libre masks. I'm so excited to see this. It's like a show, WWE, but everyone I know who went said it was so amazing and so much fun. So we are excited to get in the ring, and we are going to become Lucha Libre men. That's it.